Hello everyone, today's I'm discussing the most amazing topic: chia seeds health benefits. Even though chia seeds are small, they have a lot of good things for you. Ancient Aztecs and Mayas ate a lot of these seeds, and their health benefits have been talked about for hundreds of years. Chia seeds have antioxidants, minerals, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids that may be good for the heart, help build strong bones, and make it easier to control blood sugar. Here are 6 ways chia seeds are good for your health. 1. Very healthy. Even though chia seeds are small, they are very healthy. They have a lot of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and other important nutrients. 2. Full of antioxidants. Chia seeds have chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myricetin, quercetin, and caempferol as antioxidants. All of these may have properties that protect your heart and liver and fight cancer. 3. May help you lose weight. Chia seeds have a lot of protein and fiber, which have both been shown to help people lose weight. Even though chia probably won't help you lose weight on their own, they might be a good addition to a healthy, well-balanced diet if you're trying to lose weight. 4. Eating chia seeds may lower your risk of heart disease. The omega-3 fatty acid ALA, which is found in chia seeds, has also been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. 5. They have many important nutrients for bones. Chia is high in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which are important for bone health. Also, the ALA in chia seeds may help keep bones healthy. 6. Easy to add to your diet. Adding chia seeds to your diet is a very simple thing to do. They don't taste like much, so you can put them in almost anything. They are easy to use in recipes because you don't have to grind, cook, or do anything else to get them ready. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.